Monday in the Whiskey Vaults, and Daniel Week is, I guess, done?
Yes.
So...
Daniel, we're about to begin Tribe Week.
Oh, okay.
Now,
Right.
before that kicks off, we have a very special day. Today, we're going to do a bit of an unboxing.
Okay.
An unboxing, Daniel. Of the Whiskey Vault 100,000 subscriber
Wow.
thingy.
They sent it.
They sent a thingy, Daniel.
Oh.
While this unboxing occurs, you're gonna make us a special whiskey, Daniel.
Okay.
You're going to make us the poor man's Redbreast 32.
Ooh.
Did you think that was going to be the climax? Did you think we were going to lead up to
Yeah.
Redbreast 32?
I thought I had another 3 weeks before we
The
cracked
first
open.
chance I get, you make the Redbreast 32. Now,
Here's the thing, I think this challenge may be beyond me.
good.
I think this is a level 4 thing.
It may diminish your powers even more. Oh, I've said too much.
Oh. Remember how glorious this is.
Show the people.
There?
Yeah, Redbreast 32. So many unboxings. Oh,
Was that you?
just very excited. There's a bag. There's
And glassware.
There's glasses. Whoa.
Yeah.
What the hell have you been doing?
All right, you'll get this in a second. You do you.
All right, guys. So for those that don't know, YouTube channels that reach, I think, 100,000, 1 million, and 10 million, they have giant play buttons that they send to you that are like framed. They got the name on the bottom. It's really nice. So we reached 100,000 fairly recently on the Whiskey Vault. And I think we should be quite above 100,000 now by the time this came in. And 123,172. Thank you. It's awesome. This is what it looks like. YouTube. Now, the 100,000 subscriber play button is silver. I think the 1 million subscriber play button is gold and it's bigger. And then 10 million is even bigger and it's platinum. Or diamond, maybe. I think it's diamond. Okay, here we go. Here. Alright. Opens up. You got a nice foam thingy. Then, what is this? Got a business card. And a nice letter. Let's see what the letter says here. Alright, so from YouTube, signed by, surely not. It's probably printed by the CEO of YouTube. You've just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 magnificent bastards. It says people, but you say magnificent bastards. Subscribe to your channel. We know that numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind that 6-digit milestone. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you created. Totally touched you. They were inspired, challenged, or entertained. One of those. You were either inspired, challenged, or entertained. You achieved this milestone with hard work, perseverance, and probably a healthy sense of humor too. Maybe a dose. Maybe it does. What you've accomplished can't be taken away from you, and we'd like to recognize you and all your hard work with this Silver Creator Award, a small token of our esteem and respect. We know that you don't do this for the rewards. It's the only reason I'm here, Susan. It's the only reason I'm here. You do it because you have...
That's true.
You do it because you have a drive to create and share, and because you've found an audience who cares. Believe us when we say that we can't wait to see what you do next. 1 million subscribers may seem a long way off right now, but you're closer than you think, and we're rooting for you. Congratulations. Yours sincerely, Susan Wadzicki. Okay, we got this fancy award here. And, oh, it's like one big solid thing. Wow. Oh, yeah, dude. That's cool. And look, I can look at myself. Daniel, check it out.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah? Presented to... So here's the thing. They have you put your name in just a text field. You have to claim the award. You don't have to buy it, but you have to say, yeah, I actually want it, and they'll send it to you. You have to put the name of the channel that you want to appear right here.
Right.
It was everything. Everything I could do. Every fiber of my being had to resist the urge to put Daniel sucks. To see our 100,000 subscriber reward.
That would be amazing.
Presented to Daniel sucks. I did that for you.
That would have been pretty glorious,
because I care.
That would have been an ongoing, really amazing joke.
Because I care.
Where's that going?
I was gonna hang it around the mooch necklace.
Can you? It's gonna make wearing that necklace even worse than this.
Yeah, no kidding. That is quite heavy. You want to hold it?
Yeah.
This is what we do. We hang it
in the middle of the room,
right in between us. We just let it dangle in the shot. How we doing on the poor man's blend?
I got as close as I'm gonna be able to get with Irish whiskey. Okay, I think I'm about 70% there.
Yeah.
And the thing that's eluding me is time.
Okay, so I can tell you, doing no other reconnaissance than looking at it.
Yeah.
That's a 32.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what's eluding me?
It's darker.
Is
by a lot.
Actually, here's what's eluding me: the barrel spice. The wood spice from just being sitting so long in a barrel.
32 damn years.
With using only Irish whiskey, I can't replicate it. If I could pour some scotch into it, I might be able to pull it off. But I'm about 70% of the way there.
You know, you almost get a Texas whiskey level of barrel.
You really do. And it's only 46% alcohol.
All right, so Texas whiskey is the heat. The intense heat is going to put a tremendous amount of barrel in there.
Yeah.
And apparently, what can be done in Texas in 3 or 4 years
takes 32 in Ireland. You see what I mean?
Yeah, I'm saying you got within, being generous, 70%.
That's what I said.
Did you say 70%?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
But the taste, the first 2/3 are really close, and then the last third, they go totally different directions, and it's all the barrel spice that I can't find anything over there old enough to replicate.
Did you throw in? You know what, man?
I could put something else that had barrel spice in it.
I would have
like
put
a
in
Scotch.
I would have put in the oldest, like a Redbreast 16 and a Balcones.
No. Balcones is going to do a whole different ballgame.
No.
It's more molasses. It's going to take it all the wrong direction. I would put Glendronach if I was going to fix it.
It's a different kind of barrel, different kind of wood note.
Yeah, see what I mean?
Yeah.
But see, so for the first half to 2/3, it's like, yeah, we're headed the right direction.
Yeah.
And then about halfway it goes, and totally diverges.
Can you do a Redbreast 32? The answer is within 10 minutes. No, you can't.
It's going to take me a lot longer to replicate that. But is this a good whiskey?
This is a better whiskey.
Yeah. But this is pretty good.
That's a good whiskey. This is a better whiskey.
Now, what was in this?
Damn.
Redbreast 15, Redbreast Listowel, Sherry Cask Edition,
Right.
Rider's Tears Sherry Cask,
Right.
and Teeling Brabazon Sherry Cask.
I think you're overthinking it. I think, seriously, if you just went the Redbreast 15, and then what is like...
No, it won't work because there's not enough sherry. The Redbreast 15 lacks all of the... This is all the sherry notes is what taking that.
No.
Dark fruit.
The wood note is what I'm chasing.
Yeah, you'll get all the wood, but none of the sherry, and it will still equal the same percentage, but for totally different reasons.
I think there's a Balcones that'll work in here.
No, I disagree.
You know what? Seeing as how it's not quite yet tried week. Bring me a Balcones, Daniel. That's a lost cause. You're 70%. Be gone. I'm about to demonstrate how far my powers have come.
Hey, go easy. That's a full 1.5 ounce pour you just did in
Don't
there.
make me explain next month.
Jesus. This is an expensive day.
This is one you chose?
Yeah.
You fool.
I'm telling you, I know all about Balcones really well, and you're headed down the wrong path.
This is not the right one.
No, it's the sweetest.
He's not even trying anymore.
And French and Froke. This is barrel.
That's the.
And I'm telling you, that's the wrong, massively the wrong direction.
He doesn't know what he's talking about. Watch what happens. Bam. Identical color. Already I'm ahead of the game.
because Because the colors are the same.
Already I'm ahead of the game.
Important part of
Look at
this
this
mix.
It's like, it's perfect.
Oh god.
Absolutely perfect.
It's gonna taste like a Balcones Irish whiskey.
Hold on. I need to mix it with, I need to like hide it and do a taste comparison blind. So you will realize that I am full on, let's see the percentage. That's 73%.
It has no sherry of any kind in this nose.
I'm not going for the sherry. The dominant note is the wood note.
No, it's not.
The dominant note is the wood note.
It's not.
It's just,
the Redbreast 32, the wood note, is the aftertaste in the end. It's not the dominant note. God. It's the sherry that's the dominant note.
Daniel, what took you years to try and put together, within 90 seconds, I surpassed it.
No, dude, it's not even close.
73%. Oh my god.
You maybe are 50% of the way there.
Oh my god.
You added all the barrel spice, but that was a tiny percentage of what was going on in that Redbreast 32.
The pride, the ego of this human being. You know what?
No. Here's the thing. The honesty.
Oh. The only thing I can say is, the end of this month can't come soon enough.
Yeah, oh crap.
It does concern me how well you can lie with a straight face. Anybody else watching the Shane Dawson, Jake Paul sociopath thing?
What is that?
Alright, here's to fighting, stealing, and drinking.
If you fight, may you fight for a friend.
If you steal, may you steal lover's heart.
And if you drink, may you drink with us.
Tribe Week starts tomorrow.
Hey, thanks for hanging out with us in the Whiskey Vault. Don't forget to throw in a like, hit that subscribe button on the bottom right, and drop a question or comment down below.